how I made it. So, take a look.
You will need paper sheet, glue, scissors, balloon, and a can or a container. You can start by making a beautiful drawing. Feel free to draw what you want. I, for example, love to draw hearts. And what about you? What do you like to draw? Now is the time to cover the container. You can do this using the glue. Next step. Cut the balloon like this. Now I'm going to do some magic. I'm kidding with you guys. For sure I will show you how to do it. Look! If you want, you can ask your parents for help.